Hello, I am Laura James and I'm going to share my senior project. So I created a brand called Thrift Baby, and this brand is built on the idea of vintage resale. So everything you see on this slide, the logo, the color palette, and all the other parts of the style guide, I created myself. So I do love everything vintage, and that's kind of where my project stemmed from. It's a passion project, but I also built this brand and I've had a lot of success doing it. When reselling items online, I registered and uploaded all my items to different marketplaces. So here you can see my Etsy account. This one right here is my Mercury account. And this final one here is my Facebook account. Every image you see was taken by myself. All the items you see were sourced from different thrift stores. I was able to search and spend time looking for items, and then I would clean the items, photograph the items, and then edit the photos and upload them. So the process is quite long. It did take me a lot of hours this semester, but as you can see, the first step is to visit the thrift store, purchase the items, and then clean the items. I would then set up a photograph station, photograph everything, and then edit those photos. The next step is researching pricing, what those items are worth, and then checking even eBay to see what those items have sold for in the past. I would then post items online, the item would then sell, and then I would ship the item out to the buyers. So that was also a part of my project, just the whole process of that. I've been having a lot of success with selling my vintage items. I've sold between 300 and 500 listings at this point. This is some analytics from my Etsy account. I have received a lot of organic traffic through Etsy, and Etsy I didn't do any paid ads for, but I am having a lot of success selling on there. I think because of the audience, it was kind of a slow start, but when I found the right target audience, I was able to then have a lot of success with selling. These are some analytics from my Facebook page. So I do have a Facebook page and then also a Facebook commerce account. And I did a couple of paid ads through them, but these are the analytics from that Facebook page. I also have some of my earnings right here. So this is from the past few months. I do have what I spent on the vintage items. This isn't including prices for bubble wrap or mailers because I did ship a lot of my items, but this is just what I spent and then earned on those items. These are the two paid ads I did for Facebook. So I now have just over 200 likes on Facebook, but I spent $15 for each ad and ran each ad for 5 and then 3 days. Here are just some images of the packages that I sent out. Like I said, I've sold between 300 and 500 listings at this point, and so I did really well. And I also built my brand. I requested reviews. I have a lot of positive reviews now. Reviews are a really big part to buying and selling online because people need to trust you. And so these are some of the top reviews from my Etsy account. I do have 5-star reviews. I have had no negative reviews yet. And then these are just a few from my Facebook. So I did sell a lot on Facebook. So the main purpose for my project was to build this brand and then to create, a customer base and trust within future buyers. So I created the brand, and then I've been doing all the back end stuff. So sourcing, photographing, and uploading listings, and then shipping. And then the final step, obviously, is to receive that feedback. And if anything happens, there are any issues that arise, I'm also doing the customer service and just communicating with those people. Thank you so much for listening to my project. I have made this slideshow available for people to view, as well as some other links to my marketplaces. Thank you.